Okay, morning after Hurricane Maria. Yeah, we got pounded last night. Yep. These windows got broken, water and wind started coming in. Part of my neighbor's roof. There's water everywhere. Okay, have a skylight now. These windows also got broken by the wind. Water and stuff started coming in. Yeah, it's a disaster. There's water everywhere. The kitchen is a little landscape. Yeah, but yeah, say hi. Giving thanks for life, nonetheless. No, nothing. I just did a video. Okay. There was a washing machine here. The wind actually took it out from here. Boom. Put it right over there. Unless the other washing machine, it's okay. That was once my jet ski. Like this, a complete war zone, man. That's up Kings Hill. Roof gone here as well. Roof gone, roof gone, roof gone. Yeah, boy. Yeah. That's up Kings Hill. One roofs. Pole snapped in two, like a twig. There was a flourishing guava tree here. One. Yeah. Alright. 7 battery, that's it for now. Oh, these are the jet ski. Below there.